I am going to show you, the monetization tools we have in Nigeria and how to know that Nigeria is not eligible for all the monetization tools. Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting video. So if you watch my previous video, I mentioned the mistakes you shouldn't make if you are a content creator on Facebook, and one of it is this thing I am going to show you right here practically, like how to know that it's not every tool you should go ahead to just set up. If you're a content creator in Nigeria, even if they are telling you set up, please do not go ahead. Try as much as possible to ask questions or watch creators or watch people talk about it first. Once people start talking about it, then you can go ahead to set up. So because some persons have made mistakes already, they went to set up maybe stars or bonuses, and you didn't know that Nigeria is not eligible for it. All you're going to see is that you're going to leave, they will leave your review, they will leave your, what's it called, application on review for months. Facebook is not going to answer you because they know that you are not eligible for it. So for now, like we always say, Nigeria is eligible for in-stream ads. So how do you get in-stream ads? It's either through your, what's it called, 60,000 minutes or live videos. If you are the type that does live videos, you can monetize. In-stream ads can play in your live videos, or you are the one that met the requirement through 60,000 minutes. Either of these two, you can earn money through in-stream ads, and you can apply and it will get submitted. The only people who are eligible for this that are not going to have issues, if you're watching me from other parts of the world, especially the United Kingdom, Canada, USA, these three countries, Germany, I think Austria, these countries are monetized in all the tools. But there are so many countries, it's not about a Nigerian thing, there are still so many countries that are not monetized in some of the tools yet. But the most important tool is actually the in-stream ads, right? And we are monetized in that. So I'm going to show you practically. How to know this. Even when you see setup, please do not go ahead. So I'm going to be using one of my pages. This is one of the pages. On this particular page, Maduka family, I applied for the in-stream ads just 2 days ago, so you're going to see that it's in review. But my other pages, let me show you some of my other pages. If I show you some of my other pages, you can see I have so many pages here, and 2 of them have been monetized for in-stream ads. No, 3 actually, 3. This Jimmy Maduka page and woman. These of them have been monetized in-stream ads. So now it's Maduka family. I want to monetize in-stream ads, and I've submitted a review already. So yeah, here you have it. You can see it's in review. So immediately we met up with the 60,000 minutes. All I did was because I already have my details there, I didn't need to start all over the process all over again. Once they are done with the review, it will be added to my monetization tool. Now you can see the ones that I am not yet eligible in. Let's see the requirements. For stars, Facebook is going to invite you, isn't it? They say I'm not eligible yet, but this one they didn't write out the way they used to write it out for in-stream ads. They did not. Ads on reels, look at it, not yet eligible. I have to post a lot of reels because they are going to invite you, right? Under bonuses, please, a lot of people make mistakes here. Your country is not eligible. Nigeria is not eligible for this. Look at me. We are not eligible for this. In one of my pages or my profile, they've told me to set up. The only reason why I have not set up on that is because Nigeria is not eligible, and I don't want it to enter pre-enrolled, because if you go ahead to set up, in fact, in bonuses, once you want to set it up, you're going to see it that they'll show you the countries. So once you see that your country is not there, please do not go ahead. So on live videos, if I go ahead to meet up, maybe look at this. Nigeria is eligible for live videos. You follow content monetization policy. I have up to 10,000 followers, and look at the remaining minutes I need. I already have 92,000 minutes here. So look at that. At least what I wanted to show you is that Nigeria is eligible for live ads, for advert to play on your videos. Now let's try subscription. Like for this subscription right now, it's in one of my pages. Now you will see how they ticked it. There's a way, you know, I'm not eligible. Look, you can look at it. The eligibility here, you do not reside in an eligible country, so don't try. Even when they tell you to set up, because sometimes they can be system glitch and the system might just tell you to set up. Please do not go ahead to set up. Don't make that mistake, no matter what. So you can see that right here, you reside in an eligible country is not ticked. So if you go ahead, it's going to enter pre-enrolled and it's going to give you issues for a long time. So these are the tools. You can see I'm not eligible for any of them here. So that is what I wanted to show you. Another thing I would like to let you know is that once you set up in-stream ads for one of your pages or your profile, you don't need to start filling in your details all over again, like your TIN and all of that. Now you can see that my account here is in review. So setting up this one was really very easy because my account details and my everything is already on the Facebook system. So once you want to set up, you just go ahead and click your name and set up. So under the payout of this particular account, you can see that my details are already there while I'm waiting for Facebook to approve my setup. So guys, you can see that right here, that is not every monetization tool that Nigeria is in, and it is not just the Nigerian thing. There are so many other countries out there that are not yet eligible for it. So the ones you're eligible for should be the ones you should go for. Please don't try to be forward. In one of my videos, I've shown you all the documents you need to get ready for your monetization. The interesting thing about this whole thing is that once you just set up one of your monetization tool, once another one is ready and your country is eligible, you can just click that one that you've already set up. For example, my name, all my details, everything is already in the system, right? So once you meet up with anyone, you just click on that, you know, your name, and it's going to show you your application is being reviewed. In few days it's going to come out. For those that have multiple pages like myself, once you set up one page, other pages, you don't need to start setting up anything all over again. That same details you use for that particular page is what you're going to use for all the other pages, except maybe you have other people that want to also use their pages and their TIN and all of that. It's a different thing. But once you just have one page, it's the same thing you're going to use for all. So guys, have you gotten value from this video, or you still have questions for me? You can drop them in the comment section. But of course, you always need to like and subscribe to my channel so that when I bring you updates when this monetization thing come into Nigeria, talking about all the other monetizable tools, we will update. We'll keep updating. This thing is not a once and for all thing. We will keep updating you once stars and all the other monetization tools come into Nigeria. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. Bye.